All right, guys. So I just got my box from the boy who had 7, and I had box 86 that my wife picked for me. Thank you to my wife. And he still has more left. So you could just check out his YouTube page, the boy who had 7, and each box is $105. That's including shipping, if I'm not mistaken. So right now I'm about to go through my picks, see what I got. He has a mix of a few grails, but if they're not grail, I believe so. If I'm not mistaken, there's also a key issue in each one. So let's start off. Let's see what we got. All right, there's a few turned around, so I'm gonna see how I can fix this without looking. All right, 1, 2, okay. Hold on, give me a second. Look, I don't want to look. I want to cheat. Let's see. You want to make this fun? Okay, here we go. So let's start with. Right here we have DC's The Adventures of Superman #7, Year 1. Cool cover. Right here we have Tales of the Teen Titans, Cyborg. If I'm not mistaken. Miniseries number 104. Let's see. Looks cool. Right here we have Wonder Man number 1. Alright, cool cover. We also have X-Men Red, one of the new issues, if I'm not mistaken. Nice artwork. And here we have Scooby Apocalypse by DC number 2. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. Amazing Spider-Man number 65. AMS. Nice. AMS 263. And right here we have the Sentry. Never seen this one. Marvel Knights number 1. Alright. Right here, this one right here. This is the big one. But anyway, yeah, those are my picks right there. That's what I got. So check them out. The boy who had 7.